Hello everyone. Today I show you how to install in application Winux. First of all, open Discover app and I for demo install KolourPaint. Go to right corner and tap install. Type your password and it's done. KolourPaint is now installed. And another app HitBha install. Just get time for installing. It's a bigger size. I scroll link more application. Just show you another good application. Go to install. Not found any application. I go to KolourPaint and launch it. I am randomly quick job done. Zoom out, zoom in, show how it's work. I choose design, show you. It's a good experience. No lag, no any clutter. It's very smooth and fine. That's I design randomly. I try to work to make something. A color pick and drop out. Pick another color. Make something. I'm not sure I what doing, but I try it. Many color fill. It's showing good. Just trial. It's very good design. I close it. I don't save it, and I am remove it. It's just fast for uninstalling. Type password and uninstall it. I am going to quickly cut. With with a very good Photoshop version in Linux. Launch lag time is much higher, but it's a very good application on with Linux application. This application have high resolution images. Many features are available, like Photoshop also. That's so just some randomly for demo. You like this video and make 500 views. I full video make it for Krita. Yep. Anything good found this video, please like and subscribe my channel and share your with your friend. Today I stop my video for this. Close Krita. Thanks for watching.